How to use the Instagram squid sticker. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Instagram had announced and released the squid sticker in your stories. However, it seems to be missing in various accounts and the problem has been reported by multiple users. However, if it is available, you just have to tap on your story and then select a background picture, or you could just create a new one. Then once you tap on sticker, here should be a quiz option. You can just tap on it and you should be good to go. However, it is not found in most of the cases. If that is the case, you can go to your reel section and use the audio. Once you have recorded the video and click on next option, and if you go to sticker, the quiz should be available there. Now you can get it your questions as well as the options of answers. In most cases, once you have used the sticker here, it should appear on your stories search section on the recent searches. This way, you should be able to get the quiz. However, if you don't, the only solution would be reporting the glitch to Instagram so that the issue could be fixed. So, this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.